Hi there! What's going on? My name is Art and here is Stranger English channel. Let's learn English together! What is the difference between I, me, my, mine? I is the subject. I am Art. Me is the object. You like me. I know Mary. I like Mary. Mary likes me. Do not say Mary likes I. No. I am a man. I can speak English. Mary and I went to the shop. Do not say Mary and me went to the shop. You can say that, but grammatically it's not correct. But in spoken English you can say that, yeah. Me. Me is the object. Mary knows me. Mary likes me. Do not say Mary likes I. No. Mary asked me to teach her English. Do not say Mary asked I. No. Mary asked me. Katie took me and Mary to the shop. Katie is a subject and Mary and me are objects. What's the difference between my and mine? You can say my name is Art. My. This is my name. This is my book. Or we can say this book is mine. We use mine before the word and mine after the word. Mine equals my plus something. Your cat is black, my cat is white. But we can say your cat is black, mine is white. Mine means my cat. This is my bag. This bag is mine. This is my friend. This is a friend of mine. The same with other pronouns. I, me, my, mine. You, your, yours. This is your book. This book is yours. I, me, my, mine. You, your, yours. You, your, yours. He, him, his, his. She, her, hers. It, its. We, us, our, ours. You, your, yours. They, them, their, theirs. It was Stranger English channel. If you like it, please feel free to subscribe. But if not...
Subscribe! Do everything what you want to do. But subscribe and ring my bells and hit their like button